Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. So in today's vlog I'm going to show you how to put on your headlight on battery. Without turning on the engine you can put your headlight on. So to do this process you need some basic tools like this flat screwdriver, the Phillips screwdriver here, one scissor and insulation tape and a piece of wire. I have already done my headlight on battery, but I will show you how the process was. So let's start. That's my cat. Hi kitty. Hi. 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 Nice kitty. So guys, to do the process, we go behind. We will have to open the screw over here, and this screw over here to open this front panel will open. So we'll open that and just fill once here. So the panel is now open. I know it's a bit messy though. I have also installed these two lights. I will be making another video of how to install the lights and review of the lights. Those are pretty good lights. I have put these two lights on the engine power, not on the battery, because there's a lot of consumption on my battery already. So I put this on engine, so it's good for highway riding and all. So I'll show you guys afterwards in the next vlog. So let's start. So guys, to show you all from where it starts, I will have to remove these two horns because the socket is right behind there. So I will have to remove these two horns. If you want, this I have combined two. This is Hella, and this one horn my friend had given me this one. If you all want to hear the sound of this horn, how they sound, I have showed the sound on my previous video, the modified bike. I have shown in that video, which I have just uploaded few days back. So check out that video too. So we'll remove this. To remove this, there's a nut over here. There's a small over here. This one. To remove that, I'm using this. You can find it on any mechanic. So I have it at home, so I'm using it. So I'll show you guys after I remove the horn. So guys, as you can see, I've removed the horn. Here it is, both my horns. So guys, now you have to take a long piece of long piece, because it has the wire should reach from behind there down till here on top. So guys, you need a long wire for that. Don't take a thin wire, also take at least this fat wire, this fat. So guys, I'll show you. See, you can see this red wire going down there. I'll just pull this out, and you can see that is the guys that over there is the socket coming. So you can just find your key. This is the key lock, and take the bunch wires going from there, and you can find that socket over here. That socket will have 4 wires. One of the wire will be red in color. So connect a wire to that red wire from down below there, not this end, from the other end, and take it right on top over here, on top in this headlight. I'll show you what you have to do after that. After taking the wire, we'll open this boot. For that, we need to remove this screw, this screw, this screw over here, this screw, and over here this one screw. So I'll open this up and show you. So guys, as you can see, I have opened it up for you all. Here is good. So this is that wire, red wire, is coming from that socket which I told. So bring that wire right on top, and as you can see over here, I'll remove it and I'll show you. There you go. This is the socket of the headlight switch. So it goes in this way. So connect that red wire to the left hand side, the wire on the left, yellow color wire, yellow. Here as you can see this yellow color wire, it's on the left hand side. So just cut that yellow wire and join this wire for the yellow wire. Leave the yellow wire, just cut that and keep it somewhere over there, and connect the red wire for this and put it back inside. As you can see, it's gone in. So guys, I'll just tell you back again. Connect it from to that socket, bring the red wire and connect over here. That's all. It's not that hard, you see. So I'll put it all back and I'll meet. So guys, as you can see, I put all the things back. I'll just put on headlight and I'll show you. The bike is not on. I'll put the switch on. Here it go. On, off. So guys, as you can see, it is this simple. So guys, thank you for watching and meet you in the next vlog.